The at-fault driver's insurance company usually pays for the vehicle repairs in an accident. However, if the at-fault driver's insurance is denying the claim, then we can ask your insurance company to pay for your car repairs, and your insurance company will have a subrogation claim against the at-fault driver's insurance company. Agruss Law Firm is here to help you if you've been injured in a car accident. We will help you with the insurance adjusters, your medical bills, your property damage claim, your lost wages, your treatment, and any other concerns you have.